Okay, to fix your broken stubby, you're going to need a drill with a drill bit for mounting, 3/32 of an inch, and a Phillips driver. Probably need a utility knife to cut off the bad end. You're going to need about a 7/8 inch or smaller piece of conduit and a mallet. So first thing you do is unmount your base pipe. Pull your base pipe off. If you can, you could push the adapter out now at the top. Pull your collar off. You cut off the excess stuff here. And you can flip it around so you have a nice straight edge. You want to drive your adapter in about 3/4 to an inch. And you put your collar back on. And you put the whole unit over the conduit. And you use your base pipe as a pounder. A few good wraps will move your collar up tight to where the bump is on that adapter. You want that to be pretty close. And then you just remount your base pipe. And you're done.